Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Just got back from holiday, so sorry I haven't really been uploading. I was planning to upload one video before I left, but that never happened. So I'm back now and I'll be back to uploading a few videos a week. Just want to say thank you so much for being here and watching. I appreciate every viewer, liker, subscriber and commenter that I get, so thank you so much for being here. So today I'm going to show you how I do my brows, how I pluck them, cut them, and fill them in, and basically my whole brow routine. Alright, so the first thing I like to do is get a little spoolie. I got a packet of 100 spoolies from Wish for about $1. So I suggest that's the best place to get them from. And what I do is I just brush all the hairs up to start off with. And then I get a pair of scissors like this, and the bit that curves, as you can see it curves a bit, put that on the inside, and I just snip the hairs that are sticking out. Just like so, and then I'll brush it out a bit and make a line like that so I can see the shape now. And then with tweezers I'll start plucking here. So then with my tweezers I'll just pluck around here. So then once I'm done plucking around that area there, just brush the brow so I can see the shape of it. I'm pretty happy with that. So that brow's done. Alright, so now that my brows are fully groomed, we're going to get onto the makeup side of things. So I like to go in with a little flat angled brush like this, and I really like mine to be nice and thin. I'm very particular about how thick they are. I lost one of my favourites and then it took me forever to get one that I liked again. So this brush is the BH Cosmetics 107 brush. Alright, and so what I like to do with this brush is I like to get a setting spray and wet the brush. And then I like to go in with this Bobbi Brown eyeshadow. Because this eyeshadow, when you wet it, it turns into like a sort of gel consistency. So I use this one. And then before going in, just like to make sure it's all brushed up nicely and I've got like a good idea of the shape I'm going to go in for. So then I just dip my brush in a few strokes like so. And the first place I like to hit is this line here. Like that. So I can see the top of the brow. And then I like to come underneath here. Like that, so I can see the bottom of the brow now. And then I'll dip into a little bit more powder and just fill in between those lines there that I've drawn. And then I like to dip in with a bit more and go a little further in and not all the way in and draw a line on top of there. And same with the bottom. And brush that all through. And then the front, just do a little bit. Make sure that there's a lot of product in there. No patchy spots. Right, so I say that brow's looking pretty good. Alright, so the next step I do is I'll cut out and conceal my brow. And so the concealer I'll be using is the Fit Me Maybelline concealer in the shade 20 Sand Sable. And what I like to do with this is actually just start off by popping it kind of more on my eyelid than anywhere else, and then sort of work it up a bit, still using the concealer applicator. I'm mainly just covering my eyelid because usually when I do my brows I'm also priming my eyes for eyeshadow. Just bring it safely close, like not too close, but you know, just safely closed like that. And then I get this little brush here and I go in with more concealer, and this will allow me to get closer and really carve out the brow. So once the bottom's looking good, so as you can see, what I actually like to do here was make a straight line. And I like to drag it across a bit just so on the other brow I'll know where to go. Then on the top, let's bring it nice and close. Alright, just like so. So then I can kind of follow these lines out on this brow and complete the other brow, but I'll just blend in this concealer with my brush a bit. And then once that's done, I like to just dab it into my eye with the beauty blender. Then I like to get my Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder just on this little brush here. Dip into there, set the lid, so now the lid's ready to go for eyeshadow and a little bit of that concealer. So as you can see, this is the completed brow, and that's the way I do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!